Hi, Sarah. How was your day today?
Hi, Ollie. My day was good, but a little busy.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
I woke up at 7 o'clock, then I brushed my teeth and had breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread, butter, and eggs. I also had a cup of tea.
Nice. After breakfast, what did you do?
I went to my office. I had some work to finish.
Did you have many meetings?
Yes, two meetings. One in the morning and one in the afternoon.
Were they long?
The morning meeting was short, but the afternoon one was very long.
That must be tiring.
Yes, but after that, I had lunch with my colleagues, so it was better.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had rice with chicken curry. It was delicious.
Sounds tasty. After lunch, did you work again?
Yes, I finished some reports and sent emails.
When did you come back home?
Around 6:30 in the evening.
And then,
I rested for a while, then I went for a walk in the park.
that's nice. Did you meet anyone there?
Yes, I met my neighbor. We talked for some time.
Great. What did you do after the walk?
I came home, had dinner, and watched a TV show.
Which show did you watch?
I watched a comedy show. It made me laugh.
That's a good way to relax.
Yes. And now I am talking with you.
I'm happy to hear about your day. My day was also simple.
Really? What did you do today?
I woke up late, then I studied for a few hours.
What subject did you study?
I studied English and a little bit of history.
That's good. Did you help your family too?
Yes, in the afternoon I helped with some shopping.
Oh, what did you buy?
Just some vegetables, fruit, and bread.
That's useful. And what about the evening?
In the evening, I played cricket with my friends.
Wow, that must be fun.
Yes, we enjoyed a lot. After that, I came home, had dinner, and read a book.
Which book?
A storybook. It's very interesting.
That's nice, Ollie. I think we both had a busy but good day.
Yes, you're right.
Ollie, do you usually read books at night?
Yes, I like reading before sleeping. It helps me relax.
That's a good habit. I usually watch TV or listen to music at night.
Oh, what kind of music do you like?
I like soft songs and sometimes classical music. What about you?
I like fast songs, especially when I play cricket or travel.
Haha, that's nice. Do you play cricket every day?
Not every day, but 3 or 4 times a week.
That's healthy. I think I should also do some sports.
Yes, it's good for health. Walking is also very good.
True. I enjoy my evening walk, but I want to try swimming too.
Swimming is great exercise. Do you know how to swim?
A little, but I'm not perfect. Maybe I will join classes.
That's a good idea.
So, what are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will go to the library in the morning. After that, I have some homework.
Oh, library sounds nice. Do you go often?
Yes, I go twice a week. I like the quiet place.
I understand. I also like quiet places. Tomorrow I will go shopping with my sister.
That's good. What will you buy?
Maybe clothes and some household things.
Shopping is always fun.
Yes, but sometimes it's tiring too.
True, but at least you spend time with your sister.
Yes, that's the best part.
Yes, every night. My mother cooks very well.
Oh, what's your favorite food?
I love biryani. What about you?
Same. I also love biryani.
Ha ha ha. Then one day we must eat biryani together.
Yes, that would be fun.
Sarah, do you usually sleep early?
Not really. I usually sleep around 11:30 or sometimes midnight.
That's a bit late. Don't you feel tired in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. But I like to finish my work or watch something before bed.
I understand. I usually try to sleep by 10:30.
Wow, that's early. Maybe that's why you wake up fresh.
Yes, sleep is important. Do you drink coffee at night?
Sometimes, but if I drink coffee late, I can't sleep.
Same here. That's why I drink tea only in the morning.
By the way, Ollie, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I spend time with family, play cricket, and sometimes visit friends.
That's nice. Do you travel anywhere on weekends?
Not always, but sometimes we go to the park or a nearby place.
I love going out on weekends. It gives me energy for the week.
Yes, change is always good. What do you do on weekends?
I usually clean my room, help my mother, and then go shopping or meet my cousins.
That sounds fun. Do you like shopping for clothes or for food?
Mostly clothes. I enjoy looking at new styles.
Ha ha. Yes, shopping for clothes takes time.
True. And sometimes I don't even buy anything. Just look.